Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Guys, today's video is all about house design ideas. I hope you guys like it. In this video tutorial, I will show you a house plan with elevation under 15 to 20k. So guys, without wasting any time, let's jump into my computer. You can see, in my right side, this is the ground floor house plan. In ground floor, this house has 2 bedrooms, kitchen, dining area, living room, and outside of this house, have parking area. This house, total acres, is 1500 square foot. Guys, you can see, this is the second floor house plan. In second floor, this house has 3 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, living room, and balcony. Guys, now I will show you the 3D views of this house, so you can get a better idea about this house plan. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. And guys, if you are new in my channel, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon to get new video notifications on your device.